XRP Arbitrage Strategy, a beginner's guide to profitable crypto trading. Join me as I dive into the world of Ripple XRP Arbitrage and uncover how to make serious cash using one of the best strategies for beginners. In this video, I'll break down how Ripple XRP Arbitrage works, why it's a great strategy for crypto traders, and how you can start profiting from price differences across exchanges without relying on speculation. The problem with traditional crypto investing. Many beginners struggle to find safe and effective ways to invest in cryptocurrency. The market is volatile, scams are everywhere, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype of the latest meme coin. But what if I told you there's a way to make money without having to predict price movements or worry about long-term trends? What is XRP arbitrage? That's where arbitrage comes in. Arbitrage is a time-tested strategy used in traditional finance, and it works just as well in crypto. It's all about taking advantage of price differences across different exchanges. If XRP is selling for $2.50 on one exchange, but $2.32 on another, you can buy low, sell high, and pocket the difference. Simple, right? Why arbitrage works and why it's low risk. Unlike traditional trading, where you're betting on price movements, arbitrage is all about execution. If done correctly, it's a low-risk strategy because you're capitalizing on guaranteed price gaps rather than predicting trends. Step 1. Choosing the right exchanges. First, you need to pick the right exchanges. Look for platforms with high trading volumes, low fees, and strong security. Step 2. Monitoring price differences. Next, you'll need to track XRP prices across multiple exchanges. You can do this manually or use automated tools to get real-time price alerts. Step 3. Executing trades efficiently. Once you spot an opportunity, speed is key. Execute trades quickly and minimize fees to maximize profits. Pro tips for XRP arbitrage success.
To master XRP arbitrage, keep these tips in mind. 1. Use reliable exchanges with fast withdrawals. 2. Avoid emotional trading, stick to your plan. 3. Stay updated on market news and price fluctuations. 4. Test small trades before going big. Arbitrage isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategy and discipline, it can be a powerful way to make consistent profits in the crypto space. Want more in-depth crypto strategies? Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next tip on maximizing your crypto gains.